The hidden dangers in boilerplate contract language. You probably signed a contract without reading the fine print. But did you know that boilerplate language, those so-called standard terms at the end, can make or break your case in court? The problem is that boilerplate language isn't designed to protect your business. It's generic, and sometimes it creates more problems than it solves. Let me show you a few real-world examples of how boilerplate can backfire. A standard contract didn't specify where disputes should be handled. The venue clause. When a disagreement came up, the business found itself defending a lawsuit in another state. The travel, the legal costs, the delays, all because a few lines of boilerplate language that were never customized. Another boilerplate clause quietly waived the business's right to a jury trial and specific damage claims, rights the owner didn't even know they'd given up. What looked like standard language turned out to be a major disadvantage when the dispute reached court. That's the danger of using contracts pulled from templates or borrowed from another business. They might protect someone, but not you. I've seen contracts so vague about remedies that they were basically unenforceable, and one that nearly cost a small business client $60,000 per day in delay penalties, even when the delay wasn't their fault. That one clause could have destroyed the company. Fortunately, we caught it before they signed. The danger with boilerplate is simple. It's written for everyone, which means it's written for no one. Your business is unique. Your risk, your clients, your industry. None of that is reflected in copy and paste language from the internet. And in litigation, those details matter. At Richardson, defending business is our business. Part of that defense is making sure your contracts are written for you, not just copied and pasted from somewhere else. If you're relying on boilerplate, let's review it together. A little customization now can prevent a lot of headaches later. Because when it comes to protecting your business, the fine print isn't so fine after all.
At Richardson, defending business is our business.